with a score of 80.203. 80.203. Desert Mountain High School. In third place, with a score of 81.406. 81.406. Chaparral High School. In second place, with a score